Ever bought a piece of hardware rated in newtons and wondered if your tools, measured in pounds, could actually handle it? Most people guess, but getting it wrong can lead to serious mechanical failure. Hi, I'm Maria. Today, we're demystifying force conversion. In the physics world, we use the Newton named after Sir Isaac, of course. It's the metric way to measure a push or pull. Meanwhile, the Imperial system uses the pound force. Think of it this way: holding a small apple in your hand exerts about 1 Newton of force. To switch between them, you just need one magic number. The formula is pounds force equals newtons multiplied by 0-.2-2-4-8. Let's try it out. Say your car manual requires 50 newtons of torque. 50 times 0-2-2-4-8 gives you 11.24 pounds. Or for a bigger job, 1,000 newtons is roughly 225 pounds. One big tip: don't confuse weight with mass. A newton stays the same everywhere, but a pound force technically depends on Earth's gravity. Now, if you don't want to calculate this manually every time, you can use this free tool at SarkariTools.org. You just type in your newtons here. Let's do 150 and boom, 30-3- instantly. No math, no mistakes. The direct link to this tool is in the description. You can use it whenever you need it. Subscribe for more quick explainers and useful tools to make your work easier. See you next time.